Welcome to IG's Houston office in Texas. My name is Mary. I am the project admin lead for the Americas. Today, I'll be taking you on a virtual tour with our office and warehouse. Come and join me inside. Let's walk past the lobby into the reception area. This is where our project admin sits, and she is the point of contact for this office. And she will direct you to either a meeting or one of our team members. This is our conference room, where ideas are shared and important decisions are made. It is designed for productive meetings, whether it's with team or clients. This area offers a relaxing space for you to sit when you're out of the office. This is why we have several spaces like this throughout the office. Behind this seating area are the offices for our operations management team. And over here is our tube tech team office and the safety team office. And this area is where our operations team sits. We have several floating desks for when our visitors or co-workers from the global offices visit. Over here is our kitchen and dining area, where the team grabs a bite, have a drink, and just catch up with each other. Right over here is where our warehouse office manager is, overseeing all the activity and operations in our warehouse. All right, now let's put on our steel-toe boots and head into the warehouse to see where all the action happens. Here we have 5 warehouses. The shop buildings that support a variety of functions, from consumables and equipment storage, maintenance and shipment, for our thermal spray, C-Tech, Hot-Tech and Tube-Tech equipment and materials. In this warehouse is where our logistics teams gets everything ready to ship out to projects. We also have our own fabrication shop, where we weld brackets for Hot-Tech projects, as well as an operation shop, where we complete in-shop applications on projects for clients. This space allows us to stay efficient and prepared to meet the demands of our global projects. We know being the best version of ourselves, staying active is key. Even here at IGS, we have a gym. Now, whether it's breaking out a sweat or breaking out good decisions or new innovations, this is where we do it. Need some fresh air? Let's go hang out by the pond and enjoy a little break with nature and the wildlife. It's this perfect spot to recharge and get a moment of peace during the day. All right, that wraps up our office tour. Thank you for joining me. We are proud of our work we do and the space that supports it. Take care and hope to see you soon.
Goodbye from IGS Houston, Texas.